Are you worried about your financial future? If so, I have something that may be just what you need. Introducing our online live workshop called as Be Your Own Financial Advisor. This workshop is an action-oriented, practical guide to optimally managing your personal and family finances and creating a roadmap towards your financial future. It will help you to understand where you are financially, where you want to be, and how to get there. It includes 6 hours of live training, live question and answer sessions, free eBooks and Excel tools worth 18,000 rupees, and an exclusive WhatsApp group for doubt solving, clarifications, and many more. So if you are ready to take the challenge towards a bright financial future for yourself and your family, read the caption below, click in the link in my bio, and grab your seat now.